Hi everyone, it's me Lauren for Loveless Instinct, and today I'm coming to you with a requested video. I guess you could say it's your nail tip of the week, but I want to talk about the difference in nail file grits. I've done a video on this many moons ago, and I'll post the link to the original video below, but I wanted to give an updated video on what exactly the difference is and to show some examples. So there are different types of nail files that you can get, and depending on if you wear acrylics or gel nails or even gel polish or your natural nails, you want to be mindful of the type of grit of nail file that you put on your nails so that you're not causing damage. Now with acrylic nails, with removing or even filing, and if you go to your local nail shop, I don't want to say like a chain nail shop, but just your normal nail shop. Felt something in my ear, sorry about that. Just your local nail shop, they most likely use a 80-100 grit file, and normally with those, this is a 80-100 grit, and I haven't even used this, I don't know how long, but it's very rough. Put my hand behind it so I'll focus. It's very rough to where it can remove the acrylic, and it's very strong to where it just instantly breaks the nail down into the shape and size that you want. Now putting this on your natural nail will actually cause nail splits. And another thing about filing your nail is that with your natural nail, you should always go in one direction. When you go back and forth, you cause a lot of damage to your nail, and that also causes splitting and breaking as well. So next, one of my favorites that I like to use is a file that is like 220 to 240. And so the CND nail file, and it doesn't necessarily have to be CND. You can go to Sally's and find these nail grits. But one side is like a buffer type shine. Not even a shine, but it's like a buffer side. But it's very soft grit to where, even because the grit is so high, if you did go back and forth, because you like to go back and forth on your nails, it won't cause as much splitting on your nails. And what I like about it is that I can easily get the shape that I want and not cause damage. Then you have the Tropical Shine nail file line. These are available at Sally's last I checked. As you can see, the blue one, you can see that I've used it, but they're actually washable and disinfectable, which is good. If you're a professional, you want to check with your state guidelines on that, because some states will not let you wash and sanitize nail files. You have to discard and use a new one for each customer, so you want to check on that to be sure. So the medium one for the Tropical Shine is 220 to 320 grit, and it is so gentle on your nails, and your nails just, oh, I just love it. I love it so much. And even when I remove like gel polish, and sometimes if you peel it off, which is such a bad habit, don't peel it off, but you might get like some of your nail is like weak or something, it's good to just buff out any of those imperfections, and then put on a nail strengthener. So I like it for that. And then also I have a 400-600 grit, which is like so gentle, and I haven't even used it for real, so it probably won't even do any type of damage, and very safe for the top of your nail. Then also there's other nail files that you can use, and these are called glass nail files, which I love. I used to sell these in my online store, the Swarovski glass nail files. If you hear something dropping, those are my kids throwing stuff over the stairs right now. But anyway, so the crystal nail files are so good. They're perfect for natural nails, perfect for avoiding splitting and breaking of your nail. And you can also go back and forth, file back and forth with these. And what I love about them, they're so stylish. You have to be careful because they will break if you drop them on the ground. So I have a case for mine. But look at how beautiful that is. Yes. So this is, I think, the large size. You can get them much smaller than this that can go in like your pocket if you want. But they're so good. And then also what I like about the crystal nail files is that you can use them on your feet as well. So here's 1 foot file. This is it's a large size, and it's good for your feet. And these are 100% washable and disinfectable, like no germs collecting these. And then the other foot file that you can use, that you actually don't use to like file the nail down, but you actually use it on your feet to like exfoliate, remove dead skin or callus that you may have, to soften the skin. And so it has two sides, one really rough and one gentle, soft side, and either one is perfect for doing your feet. And I'm telling you, after one use, you will notice a huge difference in your feet. And so that's another type of file that you can get. My absolute favorite out of the files, if I had to choose between crystal nail or like a 220 or higher grit, it would definitely probably be the crystal nail file, just because I can clean it, it's reusable until the end of time, and plus I like the foot files that are for softening the skin. So I hope this video was informational and very helpful. Oh, also, if you're looking for something, if you do nails professionally, or if you're looking for something just to buff your nails, look into your buffers. They come in yellow, they come in white. Sally's has them in black, like the black outer side of it, but the sponge on the inside comes in like orange or purple, red, maybe. I think it's the other one. But also you have to feel those to see how rough those are, because sometimes those are really rough to be using on the natural nail as well, and some people don't know and they do it anyway. But the reason why you don't want to use a really rough nail file on top of your nail bed, like on top, not just the edge, but on top of your nail bed, it's because you're removing a layer of the nail, and by doing so that makes it weak. It breaks the nail down, and it takes a long time for that nail to grow back to that thickness. So you just want to be mindful of those things as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informational, and as always, if you have any questions or video requests, do not hesitate to contact me or message me below, and follow me on all my social media links if you want to keep up on a daily basis of what's going on with Lovely's Instinct. And I hope to talk to you all soon. Bye.